everyone, welcome back to another video. We're going to be making a nice breakfast. This can be have as breakfast, lunch or dinner, up to you. We're going to do some nice green banana with fry up cabbage or steamed cabbage. Stick around guys, you don't want to miss this video. Give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Alright, so for your banana, I want you to use some lime, and this is to prevent the banana from turning brown, or you can use vinegar, right? So you just use whatever you have available. Also, you can go in with a little bit of oil to prevent the banana from staining your fingers. Or you can just rub it on your hand, right? To peel your banana, I've washed my banana already. So to peel it, you score along the vein of the banana, right? So you make a slit at the top, both sides, and you just make a slit. Very easy to peel your bananas, guys. And banana is full of iron, green banana. This is actually one of my favorite food. Nice soft banana with some vegetables. And I can tell this banana is going to be soft. I can feel it. It's not hard. It's very soft. So I know the results. You know when you boil some banana in truth, and in fact some of them very hard and dry. But this one I can tell it's going to be soft. Now to peel your banana, the same line that you slit, you're just going to put your fingers through it to get out the banana. So let me show you. See the line here that you split? You just stick your finger in there, so easy, and just push it open.
What about this one?
Just don't peel that one.
It looks like a telephone.
Look like a telephone. And for those of you who don't like to peel banana, I would suggest you still do the same procedure. Take off the tip of it, split it, and you just boil your banana in the skin. And remember, the texture will be different from when you actually boil it without the skin. Alright, so you want to make sure you cook it thoroughly. Alright guys, so what I've done, I've added the salt to my pot. What I'm going to do is to add half teaspoon of vinegar. You see me use both the lime and the vinegar, so it's either up to you, right? So now we're going to add the bananas. And we can allow those to cook until they're tender. Let's work on our vegetables. And of course I have to steam my cabbage with a little piece of Scotch bonnet pepper. Alright, we're going to do the carrot like how my mom would always do it. So another way to use your vegetable peelers to just do the carrot and steam them with the cabbage. Yeah man. For the cabbage, we're going to slice it medium. Alright, so for the vegetable, we're going to go in with some oil or thyme, some garlic, so initially I'd used 3 cloves of garlic, going in with my scallion and onion as well. My sweet peppers. Alright, so now that our vegetable is soft enough, we are going to go in with our cabbage. Alright, so add in our salt. A little cumin because I really like the flavor of the cumin and the cabbage. Alright, so pretty much the goal is to let the cabbage spring its own water. I don't want to add any liquid to it, right? So give it a few minutes and it will come together. Alright, let's look at the cabbage now and also add our carrots. Going in with some black pepper. Not a lot. And there you have it, guys. There are boiled banana and steamed cabbage over here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.